Mixed farming. Mixed farming entails both the growing of crops and rearing of animals on the same farm. This type of farming is important because there is a mutual benefit between the crops and the livestock, where crops provide feed for the livestock and they later provide farmyard manure to the crops. So the method is diversified since when one enterprise fails, the farm is able to benefit from the other. The second method of farming, organic farming. So this is a method whereby there is growing of crops and rearing of animals without using agricultural chemicals. In this method, it is environment friendly and the products do not have any chemical residues. Organic farming uses organic manure to do replenishment of soil nutrients. Also, it is important because it improves the soil structure. Apart from that, it also enhances soil water infiltration and retention. It also provides food for the soil microbes. Practices such as mulching and crop rotation are used to enhance organic farming. The next method of farming, we have agroforestry. Agroforestry is whereby there is growing of trees, crops, keeping of animals on the same piece of land. It is aimed at improving the output of the soil. The trees helps in number 1, soil conservation by binding the soil particles together. Also, acting as windbreakers and reduce the force with which raindrops hit the ground. Provision of animal feed. Provision of building materials, as well as provision of fuel through firewood. The other method of farming is nomadic pastoralism. Nomadic pastoralism, or let's say pastoralism, is the practice of rearing livestock on natural pasture, while nomadism is the practice of moving from one place to another. So when the two practices are combined, it is referred to as pastoral nomadism, which involves moving from one place to another in search of fresh pastures and water. The method is common in arid and semi-arid areas. Then we also have shifting cultivation, whereby this involves farming on a piece of land continuously until it is exhausted, after which the farmer moves to a more fertile ground. It is practiced where land is abundant, population is sparse, the number of livestock per unit area is low, land is communally owned. Advantages of shift cultivation: it has low capital requirement, There is no pest and disease buildup. Soil structure is maintained. No land disputes as land is owned communally and not individually. Disadvantages of shift cultivation. The total yield per unit area is low. A lot of time is wasted when farmer is shifting and building new structures. Farmers have no incentive to develop land and conserve water and soil. Lastly, not applicable in areas of high population density or where there is high population increase. Thank you.